I've got another unboxing video for you. This time it is Feel Unique Pick and Mix's sample service. My mind went blank then. So this is how it arrives in a little box like this. Sometimes it comes in like a cardboard envelope or like an actual normal envelope, wherever, but this is how mine came this month. So if you're new to Feel Unique and you don't know much about it, as always I will just give you a little bit of a lowdown. This isn't a beauty subscription service, it's not a subscription service at all. It's a sample service. It costs £3.95 and it entitles you to choose up to 5 samples per month. So if you order on the first of the month, you won't be able to order again until the first or the following month, and so on. So it's up to you. You just opt in and out as freely as you want. To go on to the Feel Unique, you need to sign up for their newsletter. Well, not so much a newsletter, just sign up to the website. So you know, it is a shopping website, so it sells everything beauty related. Makeup, hair care, health, you name it. They just sell a ton of things. So you sign up with your email, and then that entitles you then to actually access their pick and mix service. So when you look on the website, you will see the bars at the top of the screen. You'll see samples. You click on the samples and then a drop down bar will come and you'll see pick and mix, and then you click on that and that'll bring up the pages. There's about 3 to 4 pages full of different samples. And down the sides you've got different categories. So you've got sachets, you've got tubes and things like that. So that gives you an indication of how big the sample sizes are. But also you've got like makeup, skincare, SPF and all that. So if there's something specific that you fancy looking at, you can tailor it to your needs. I tend to click on a bar for the newest items because I do this every month. So yeah, I want to see the new things that Feel Unique are bringing up. I had an amazing month last month. Oh my gosh, it was the best Feel Unique sample service box I've ever received. It was amazing. So I'll link that above and down below if you want to take a look. But yeah, it was really good. I had amazing products, and gosh, I think it exceeded like 30–40 odd pound worth of stuff for £3.95, which is brilliant. But I will link everything down below, as I said, you know, with a link to that video, but also I'll put a link to the actual samples page. So instead of you faffing around, if you're finding it hard to navigate, you can actually just click on that link and that'll bring up the samples for you to take a look, if you're interested, that is. I also have a refer a friend code for you as well. So if you were to sign up and you were interested in buying some beauty products or whatever, and you were going to spend £30, then if you use my code, you can have £10 off that, and it means that I also get a £10 voucher off if I were to spend £30 somewhere along the line. So, and then you get a code then to pass on to your friends and so on and so on. I'll link that down below. You obviously don't have to use that, but if you were thinking about purchasing something, well, you know, saving £10 is quite good, and it means I can get £10 off as well. But anyway, you don't have to. But let's open this box. These are all my perfumes. There's quite a few in there. I forgot to say that once you receive your order from Feel Unique, you will actually get an email with a code for £3.95 off your next purchase. You can't use it against another pick and mix service, but you can use it against if you were to buy an item off their website. So effectively you're getting this box for free if you decide you want to go and buy something. So yeah, so that's worth knowing. So the first one is a Lait d'Issy Pure, and it is the Izumiyaki, and it's an eau de toilette, 1 ml. And it says, a musky, aquatic floral, when the drop blossoms into a delicate petal. So that's what that looks like there. I love this perfume. Absolutely love Izumiyaki Lait d'Issy. I love it. It is one of my longest perfumes that I've loved. It is, yeah, in my 20s I was wearing it. I absolutely adore it. So it comes in like a little atomizer spray like that. So I'm not sure what to do now because I've got 5. I don't want to spray them all over my wrist. Oh. I know this is not going to be great, but I'm just going to do one finger and just shake it away. Right. Oh, it's lovely. It is lovely. Oh, it's really nice. It's really nice. I wish I had the other one now to compare it, the original, because this one is pure. Oh, it is absolutely stunning. I'm not very good at describing perfumes, so unfortunately I'm not going to be able to like give you a review of these perfumes. Other than the fact that I like them or I don't like them, which is not going to be helpful for you because you might have different tastes to me. But no, I love it. I do absolutely love it. And definitely one I would buy. Oh, I love it. No, I do. Really nice. So the next one I've got is a Elisab, and this is Girl of Now, and this is a 1 ml, and it's eau de parfum. And what's it say here? The spirit of a girl of now in a fragrance, and An addictive note of almond textured with orange blossom and patchouli. So that's how that looks like there. Sounds really interesting. Love orange smells. Love, love, love. So it's another little spray. So I'll just try it on a finger. Hold on. There. Hopefully it won't smell like izumiyaki. Oh, it is really nice. It's quite an odd smell. Not the sort of perfume I would normally go to. Oh, it is really nice. Yeah, no, I quite like it. I quite like it and I would use it, but I don't think I would buy this one. And my next one is Olympia, and this is Paco Rabanne, and this is Intense Eau de Parfum, and this is 1.5ml, and doesn't really say anything here. Oh, a salty vanilla amber accord. Carnal and charming, with a heart of orange blossom pulsating to white pepper. Flowers bloom and tumble into a salty vanilla and white ethereal amber base. Unexpected, illicit and captivating. So that's what the outer packaging looks like, and it's another atomizer, but it's not full. Never mind, never mind. I'm going to try it on this thumb. Keep it away from the others for now. Where is it? There. Oh, I love that. Oh my word. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. What's it called? Olympia Intense. Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. There you go. I can't describe it anymore. I like that one. So my fourth one is Viva la Juicy Soirée, and this is Juicy Couture, and this is a 1.5ml, and it's an eau de parfum. Escape reality to an over-the-top masked party with Viva la Juicy Soirée. The fragrance dances to life with jeweled fruits like pink kiwi, while vibrant water lily and soft woods pulse with an intoxicating allure. Let the party begin. So that's what that looks like. I had a look at all the ingredients and the descriptions before I chose them, so I sort of have an idea of sort of the smells that I go for, and I like citrusy, fresh, floral, but not rose. I don't like rose. But also I like sandalwoods and things like that as well. I need to go on a course, or I need to do a day course or something, you know, like a workshop, to get to know what sort of perfumes is me. What do I go for? What are my, what are my preferences? So it's another spray. It's a bigger one. So let's go for a little finger this time. Oh gosh. Oh, there. This room is going to be smelling. Ooh, ooh. Oh, that smells like melons. Oh, that just reminds me of like a holiday. Oh, that is really nice. Very sweet, completely different to my thumb, to the Paco Rabanne one. And quite sweet. I'm not really keen on super sweet ones, but this one is a really nice one. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love that one. And then my last one is Victor and Rolf, and this is their Bonbon one, and it's a eau de parfum, and this is a 1ml. And it doesn't give you any information about it, but that's what that looks like. Ooh, it's leaking. Ooh, sugar. Let's see what it's like on my arm up here. There. Oh, that is nice. Oh, excuse me. Ooh, that reminds me of Chanel Chance Intendre, if I've pronounced that right. I had that for Christmas. Oh, it is nice. I prefer the Chanel one, but it is very similar, very similar. But no, out of them all, I think my favourite is these two. I do love them. So if my husband is watching this, it's Mother's Day soon. Look. Oh, I really like them. I really like them. So yeah, and I'm going to enjoy wearing them because, you've got a few sprays there. You've got a few days worth there anyway, haven't you? I mean, how long does 1ml spray last? I'm not sure. A week? Maybe? I'm not too sure anyway. But anyway, those are my 5 samples that I've chosen. As I said, it doesn't have to, it can be a mix. You can have like a makeup item, skincare, anything. There is a load of stuff on there for you to choose. I just went for the perfumes because I haven't done that before, and I fancied trying some new perfumes out, and because there wasn't many things on there at the time. They do change things up daily or weekly, so it depends on when you go on what will be there, because it might be different the following week, etc. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave the links down below, as I said. And yeah, if you'd like to see more, and if you haven't done so already, it'd be lovely if you'd subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.